guys, we're back on Boys on Bigby, and we're at our Papa and Cece's pond, and they have a lot of catfish, a lot of baby ones, and our Papa didn't even know. We're gonna show y'all. They'll come out.
Don't throw out any more wool because they got full.
Wait, let's do one more. They're about to come. Okay. You have to wait.
All right, hook up bait, Charlie.
And then they come. Oh, here.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's one. Now they're all coming. Once one comes, they all start coming. Oh, there's one. Go right there. Oh, there's one.
All right, I'm gonna set them right here so we can get it all over.
Wait, which one am I using? I'll use Papa.
I'm gonna use Papa's because it's harder. Oh, there's a big one.
Is that the big one that we didn't catch last night? That was so annoying. Charlie, can you get that fishing pole off? Oh, there's one. That one's small. Oh, that one's small too.
They're crazy. All right, get hooked up fast.
Oh, I need a hook. Where's the hook? It might not stay on. I'll try.
Well, you barely hook it. Oh, get it out fast. They're all
Charlie, hurry. Someone has to get it. I don't know where yours is. Because I'm about to cast. I gotta go. I'm casting. I got a little nibble. Huh? The bait came off.
Oh, I lost one. Oh, no, it's still on. Maybe Kate, I'll help you. Try it. Throw it out far and then just wait.
What happened? Oh. Should have brought some rod holders. I'm gonna make a little. I'm gonna try and make a little rod holder.
That was a lot of fish.
Oh, I almost forgot to put bait on. This bait is humongous, and my hook is so small.
Alright, we're gonna leave one just way out here.
I can cast mine a little farther. I don't think I like it. Okay. That's right.
I'm just gonna let this one sit right here.
Bye.
Oh, snake! Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Where?
You set your bait right on it. Alright, you're good, you're good.
For real, there's a snake?
Yeah.
Oh my. Where?
Get the iPad and move. Let's move.
Let's move. Great call, Kate. Hey, someone get the bait.
Alright, guys, we saw a snake over here, so we're gonna move.
Oh, Charlie, you got me hooked on you.
I'll see. Oh, right over there.
Under
that old rock.
Charlie got me hooked on him. That's scary. That was scary.
Alright, let's move way down here.
Okay, we're stuck to each other.
Here, we'll get back to you when we get to the next spot. Alright, we're in the next spot. We're gonna see if we can catch anything over here.
I don't think the fish are gonna come over here. need help. Okay, we need help.
Our fishing pole got stuck.
I'll go check back over there.
Bring your pole too.
Over here?
Yeah.
Charlie's on touching it.
Alright, let's go one pole that way, one pole this way. Oh, here's a bass. Bass. There's the bass that I put in.
What?
There's the bass that I put in.
What?
There's a bass.
Where? I got untangled. Charlie, can you come over there with me? I got untangled. Come over. I got untangled. I got untangled.
Now you can use it.
Come with me over there. Come see the fish. A lot of fish are over there. I'm not going over there. Okay.
Sorry, watch that pole. I'm gonna bring you over here and see if there's any fish over here. I also have to go show you all the bass. So we've been in here for a long time. We never thought there was any fish in here. Now I went to my other grandmother's house and I caught another bass. Caught 4 bass. I brought them over here. And that was like the first fish we thought were in here. But oh, this is where the snake was. So that's where the snake was. So. No,
Yeah, it could have come out.
could be staring at us. So. Alright, let's go set out the rods and I'm gonna go see if I can find that bass again.
And the 24 was that. I was fishing.
Alright, I'm gonna run over here real fast. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bass
And it's
somewhere right there.
You should see it now. Yep. Right
There it is, that's it. That's the bass that I put in. It looks like it's grown a little bit.
Yeah, it is small. But we can't hook it.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, we can? I wish this. Why won't we just go over there?
Catfishing is a waiting game. Oh, there's 2 bass right beside it.
Oh, that's the other bass. That you caught.
I dumped them right here.
Yeah.
And then I put them right over there. I mean,
Oh,
and
yeah,
they swam that way.
They're not growing that big. Let's just go fish back over there.
Alright, I'll get y'all back when we get a bite. I just ran over here. Look, there's at least 10 bass. They had to lay babies.
Yes, they had to. Because you only caught like 4 or 5.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
You only caught like 4 or 5. They had to have babies.
Oh my gosh. Charlie, get your bait out. See if they'll accidentally eat that.
Freaking out. They're sorry. Okay, I'll get it.
Alright, I'll get you back in a second. Alright, we got a catfish on, baby.
Oh, but he's fighting pretty hard.
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Oh my gosh, he's fighting so hard.
Try video while I get the hook out.
Gosh, he was fighting really hard. Yeah.
Oh,
I was struggling getting that
I think
thing.
I let him swallow it.
I was struggling. Them things fight. They actually fight. Oh my goodness. That thing was hard to fight. I was struggling. It bent the it almost bent it to the ground. I bet that was probably a fight like a ladyfish. It was like bending to the ground. We might have to clip this guy. I have my pliers.
You have pliers?
I mean, no. Should have brought some. We might have to cut his head off. Look at this. Here, just swirl around with my knife. In there. Here, I'll flip it up.
Alright, we'll see y'all when we get another bite.
Alright. See you guys. Let's.
Are you videoing?
Get a little fishy.
Baby Kate just caught this fish. Baby Kate, you want to go touch it before you let it go?
Yeah, hold this.
Oh,
Cece?
yeah, Baby Kate.
What? Cece?
So you don't want to kiss it?
No!
Sorry, have you seen it? Oh, let's go find a better place.
Yeah. It's not a good place.
Big fish? Here we go. Yeah. That was our first fish caught here. Alright, see you when we get a bite again.
That was a bass, by the way. Not a catfish.
Got another
I
hook.
got a fish, but it broke off the hook. Yep. Oh, baby one. Oh, baby bass. I need to break it off. Oh, that's a fishing pole.
Right, come on, let's come over here.
Do we have another hook? There is no more hooks. I thought someone has to run up there. I'm not running up there. I'm not. Me and Kate already did it. Now Kate is trying to get the tiny fish on his. Dude, got it. See if he'll catch it.
Okay. Hey, Palmer, you want to come with Cece? I need to go get Papa's tackle box and bring it down here. You want to see? You want to?
Yeah, we need to put the tackle box down here. Yeah. Here, watch out. Which?
I think she's videoing her.
Oh, where is the fish? Where's that tiny bass? Did you get one?
Let's just see if we can get over here.
We'll have to walk around that and then get over there. See, that's where the snakes are mostly at.
We'll just look around here.
Okay. Snakes are mostly over there.
Alright, we'll see y'all when we get in we'll see y'all when we see one.
Charlie just got a fish. Kate's trying to get one too. Charlie got a baby catfish. Yep, I'm running. Oh, that's a tiny one, Charlie. He's talking. Cause you should see how tiny this is. He's so cute, Joe. He's talking. Say hi. 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 Look, say hi to the camera. Hi. Hey, you see me do a backflip? I'm going to backflip. Don't do that. I'm going to not. I feel like that will hurt. Bye-bye. No. So Charlie got a tiny catfish. It was like that big, Diddy. It was like that big. You just went around the whole thing. Get right here. Wait, what's the bass? No, the bass are right here. Here's the jackpot again.
I don't know if this is the best or not.
It might be a snake. Or a catfish.
This is crazy. Like
We'll
we
come-
thought there was no fish in here and then I put like yeah, that's a turtle. Wait, zoom in on it.
Right there? Oh yeah, over there.
Yeah.
What? How did we miss that? Yeah, that has to be a turtle.
I don't know if y'all can see it.
But we'll come back whenever we get a bite. Do you have it? Where did it go?
I don't know.
Well, we don't know. It's going really quick to get the bass. The big bass. Okay, what if it's the bass that I caught? Shoot, already. You're ready for it, Kate.
I know, he didn't quite catch it.
Yeah,
I gotta get this fish.
home. Charles being crazy.
Lauren, come back up.
Where did it go?
Well, I want to catch this one.
Charlie, just have patience. Till he catches this big old bass, we'll go up and eat. Then we'll come back down here after we eat. Would we? Okay, there's big old sticks. Okay, will we come back down here after we eat lunch? Cause your mom and dad are gonna be.
They'll come up somewhere. Madison's gonna pick me up at like somewhere around 5.
So you still have like
A lot of that.
4 hours. 4 hours and a half. Right here, by me, without a hook. Oh, that's pretty low fly. The what? Yeah.
No, leave that.
Oh yeah. Just leave it down here because we're gonna come back down here after lunch. Cause you're still gonna stay down here for a long time. So I have like 4 hours and a half. Wait, whenever Chloe gets here, Chloe's gonna be here in like 2 hours. Whenever she gets here, we get to the treasure hunt.
Oh, guess what?
Whenever Chloe gets here, we're going to the keys. I know. Whenever Chloe gets here, we get to the treasure hunt. You'll get your
We got our
toy.
own boat.
Cool. Wait, no, y'all have like 5 hours left. Because isn't it about to turn 12? Like 3 more hours, Chloe's going to be here.
6 more hours.
Well, then 4 more hours till Chloe will be here, and then we can do the treasure hunt, and then you'll find your toy. And Cece, she has to draw a map. That's what she said. Beautiful view. Oh, that's my Cece and Papa's house right there. Then barn and the horses. I don't know what else. It's been hot today, goodness. It should have been cold. I want it to be cold, not hot. Feels like it's summer now. Yes. I'm not used to this weather. I like cold weather. Well, actually, like summer kind of. Let's go. I like summertime because we can go to your river house and the beach.
I got it.
Oh, it's all great. Well, we're gonna stop the video right now. Whenever Kate catches a fish, I'll show
We'll
you.
see y'all in a little bit. Right after we eat lunch and watch the Alabama game. We'll see y'all later.
We'll be back in like an hour. I'm hungry.
Shining out behind the south end zone right now, but
What?
some white
dedicate.
Gray clouds
That's a true
hanging
first
over, and
bass.
there's an outside chance maybe we can see some rain. I don't know if it'll
big
happen during
first
the game
bass,
today, but a
but
chance we can see a stray shower or two move through the Golden Triangle.
Led to
Mom.
the field goal. Other than that, you know.
We're back from lunch. Showed. What happened? Nothing. I saw that bass. It was tiny. Where did it go? Oh gosh, we forgot to say. Told you, Katie, it will take an hour. It's been an hour. Okay, I thought so. We forgot to get a hook. But we do have a hook. Yeah. So, guys, okay, we might want to go over there where the shade is. So, guys, here. So, guys, I'm fishing with the catfish bait. This catfish bait been working pretty good, right? Yeah, but it just keeps falling off for me. But I'm gonna get It usually falls off. I'm gonna get bass bait. Can someone help me put a hook on? I will. Well, we'll be back whenever we get a bite. He wants us to put him casting. The bait flew off. The bait flew off. There's nothing on it. Gosh. It's hard. Yeah, it's just so hard. Come up closer to me than the bait on. So, bait. We have this catfish bait. Okay, we'll be back whenever we get a bite. What? Beautiful Kate's about to catch a fish. Yeah. And a hook just put a whole one on there. Poked me really bad. Oh, I just had a bite. Where? It's zooming. Guys, aren't you supposed friends, I guess. Okay. Hey, I'm over here. Come on. Hey, camera. Camera, I'm over here. Video me, camera. So,
Oh, I got one. Guys, y'all ready?
mm-hmm. This thing is about to be a little bit tight.
Oh, it just
He just
That
yanked
blew
it out. Here, guys, watch me.
How does he do that?
You said, are you ready, guys? You didn't catch
Here
it,
it
right?
is, here it is.
Oh, I see it. That's tiny. Tiny little thing. Do y'all see it? Y'all can see it, yeah. I don't know where. Oh, where did it go?
Oh, here's the second one.
There's two. I don't think y'all can see it.
Oh no, he spit it out again. You'll see them all right here.
Yeah. Look, I'm already showed them. Me too. I see two.
I'm about to have to get you hooked up then.
Me? Okay.
No, I'm about to have to get a rod.
Okay, I need a hook.
But wait, I want to catch one of these.
Okay, y'all. Whenever we get a bite,
I'm about to. Do you not see a fish?
I'm about to get a bite. Yeah, I see it. Oh my goodness, there's two. One's long. I'm about to get a bite. Are you sure? That doesn't look like you are. It just perfect. That thing does not cast far. I know. Which I'm impressed. Looks good. Oh, it got it. Wait. Wait in the
I
world.
need a new worm.
It went.
Oh, there's three, but I gotta get a new worm.
It went right past it.
Oh, I almost got it.
They don't have any juices?
Okay.
Wait. Holly, did you bring them out? They're in that bucket. Let me try to get
Alright, here we go.
There is one. I thought I'm about to get bite. Oh, I see them. I got it on camera. I got both of them. There's two. One's tiny, one's long. They're dark. I know I still have some. I'm waiting for a catfish.
Okay, I just want to catch one and then I'll get you.
Okay. I caught 2 a minute ago. Earlier in the video, I caught
It's like
2.
it has a baby.
I have one
Oh my
little
goodness.
one, and I had one.
He hold this. No, you.
Right, here
Okay.
we
Okay.
go.
By the way, our cousins that came from it, I'm a man.
You said men for a second. There's a big old log. And I'm not just a
Yeah, it's good for the
camera ma'am. I'm a fisher too. A fisherman. Fisher ma'am.
I
Not
said
man.
man.
Oh my goodness, that hook is driving me crazy. Let me put this hook back in the water. Me too.
Oh, yesterday there's like 5,000. A lot. Yesterday, way down there.
I
over
know,
there.
but all
There's
the
a
catfish
lot
just
of-
run away.
There's a lot of catfish. I just wanted to jump in for them. I didn't
You're
really
crazy.
care. I just wanted to
You're a
jump in
crazy
for 'em.
head. Oh, I see
I
them.
want to catch them. I'm trying to jump in.
I only see the long one. I don't see the short one. What? Oh, now they're right by each other. I didn't see the short one. I think the camera see it. That was. Oh, you're so close.
1 second later.
Charlie. Fish is way back there.
Tell me if another one comes right beside here. I'm going to run over here and catch him. Welcome, stay over here.
Oh.
Whose? Yours? Cause the wind. Where are the fish? I cannot see them. Oh, I see them. But y'all won't be able to see it. Well, hey, what are you doing? There's Kate. We'll come back whenever we get a bite. Carly got a catfish.
He's very hard. Oh my gosh.
He's tiny.
Oh my gosh. He's hard.
He's tiny.
Ah.
Oh, never mind. He's big. No, he's not big. Not that big.
I feel like all of these catfish have.
Okay, I'll try to catch your catfish.
It's a spotted cat. It has spots on them.
What? Oh.
This might be rare. It's spotted.
Okay, let go. Hurry.
No worries.
It's okay,
Oh, it's
buddy.
making a sound.
Yeah, he's worried. That hurts him. At the hook. Poor thing.
That's how you catch it.
He's talking to y'all. He loves to be on YouTube. Look, he even moves his fins.
Look, guys. This is why we do not noodle a big catfish. Come here. So, in their mouth, they have these little teeth. In your hand, your fingers get like red little teeth marks in you, and you don't want that. And you
I
have
have big catfish, they have even sharper ones than tiny ones.
No, they're the same. I think they're all.
Well, they have way more.
Yeah, they don't. They have all the same. Really, that's just like stuck by his eye.
Poor thing. Can I see if I got it?
I'm sorry to say, but it might be stuck.
Get the tweezers.
I hooked him good. I'm glad I hooked him, but it's sad I hooked him too bad. Is there any pliers?
No.
Hey, Kate, where'd y'all put the pliers? Did you let it swallow it again? No, it's on the side of his mouth that won't come out. It's like a bass. How will you not
Face in the water.
It's not coming out. It's like stuck in there.
We'll be back in a minute.
Dave has a fish.
It's a bass.
That's big.
Bigger than yours.
No, it wasn't.
Oh my gosh, this is big.
Never mind.
I got him. I landed him. This is huge. This is huge.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Go get a bucket right now. This is huge.
What's that?
How big this is?
That's bigger than
This is
mine.
my biggest bass. Go, go, go! Get the bucket now.
Where's the bucket?
Right in the pool of it, Charlie. Don't mess with that one. Just drop it in the water.
Here. This guy will stay alive. Here, Babe, get the hook out. I'll have the full hook that one.
Oh, there you go. Fish, yes, and humongous. Humongous.
Okay, you can
It looks like it's dying. It's not. But,
They don't even fit in
Do
there.
you see it?
yeah, go get the cooler.
He doesn't even fit in there. He's like, his body is like twitched.
And what about the aerator? Do we need the aerator?
Yeah, get that in the aerator.
Yeah, because it's not, he
I can't leave twins and Connor down here.
we can. Hey, Alex. Okay. He's.
Alright, so I'm by myself right now. And I'm going to see if I can catch anything. I got one catfish rod with the little catfish knot, or whatever you call it. Catfish knot. And then throw it out. And that's it. Oh, got one. Oh my gosh, that was fast. That one's fast. I don't know what that was. Oh. I guess he took the bait. And this is all we've been using today. These little catfish bites. And then we've been using these. And I actually caught 5 bass on these. I don't know if we got them all on video. And 2 catfish on this. And then my brother caught 3 other catfish on these. And then me and Vivi Kate caught one. And then I'll show you the biggest bass we caught on. I showed you all earlier, but I'll show you how big it is right here. I can't even send it. Right, here we go. Alright, so it is in here with the narrator. Oh, sorry, splashing. Trying to do this without getting myself wet. Okay, this is the fish that I talked about. It's probably, I would say 3.5 pounds. Pretty big. It's the biggest bass I've ever caught. Can't tell. Like, I can't tell how big it is to my leg. It's knee high. So, I'm gonna put him back in here and close it so he don't jump up. tell if that's a bass or a catfisher. Might just be a turtle. Alright, let's see what this is. But I know it's just a turtle. I'm gonna go over here because I see a fish smoking on top of the water, so I'm gonna run over there real fast. Alright, I'm in the spot, but y'all probably can't see me, but I'll run and come get y'all if I have you. Safe and bad. I have bite. Oh, I got him. Come on, stay on. Oh, no, 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 no. No, I lost him at the... I just lost the big one. Oh. I had him. I should have jumped it. Alright, I'm gonna fix my lure. And then try to get another one for y'all. What?
a perfect time.
This is my second one. The first one was way bigger than this.
We were just watching.
This is like the size that I put in from Mamos.
Yeah, that is.
Yep, we're playing a jump. Backflip. Yay! Alright, I'm gonna see if I can catch another one. It's right there.
Oh, that's Charlie's. I brought mine up. I don't want to use it. You can use it. I might. Huh? Where?
No, it's like on that bank.
How?
Above you. Straight up. That way. Oh my gosh.
Charlie! I didn't bring it up here.
I did. It's in the water.
Did the hook come off? Do you want to ride with me? A new one? Do you want to ride with me? Down? I know. Where are the worms? I'm going to go for a ride. Oh, I wanted to. I got to push it. You can go down that one. Wow. Why would you want to start with big ones?
Maybe we can take the iPad and video it.
Video what?
Us sliding.
Okay.
That'll be cool.
Okay.
I mean, one more.
I have to wait. So guys, we're back. We're back and we're gonna be riding four-wheeler. Wait, I'll pick up the hill. I'll see y'all. Cut the thing on. What?
I've got 2 in this spot already. Should have had like 10, but
We leaving?
we're getting their worm and throw a few casts on the shore.
Okay.